Cooking chicken and dumplings
There you go,
in the
guys.
truck.
Chicken and dumplings in the truck. I'll give you the recipe. Hang on, here it comes. You ain't gonna find this in any truck stop. Okay guys, tonight we're making chicken and dumplings in the truck. Right now we got some chicken. These are the items you're gonna need. You got some organic chicken, some organic chicken broth, low sodium, some peas and carrots, of course the biscuits from Pillsbury, and also some cream of chicken soup. And I will show you what it looks like. We're gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes and then we're gonna add in the other items. So we shredded the chicken now, and now we got the peas and carrots in there. We're gonna add in the chicken back in, and then we're gonna add the biscuits and let this simmer. And this is gonna be pretty much done. And it takes about, what, 15 minutes maybe to cook the whole thing. Probably longer to clean it up than it is to cook it. And I'll show you the finished products here, guys, when I'm done here. Everybody has their own technique for the biscuits. All I'm gonna do is pick them off and I'm just gonna slap them in there. There you go, guys. There's chicken and dumplings there. Pretty much done. The biscuits are rising, but like I said, I just pinch them off and throw them in there. Let this cook for like 10 minutes and you're ready to go. So there you go, guys. That's the finishing. A little pepper on there. I use danos for seasoning, and that's all I use. And you're ready to go. Enjoy. I'll put the recipe below.